You guys know what time it is. We're about to do the giveaway. We're about to get it all active. We got so far 16 people all joined up. We can only take half, so I'm only gonna take about 1604. Just leave it at 5,000. Those $200 trades could be 2,000, 200,000, 20,000. Like, there's no reason you can't hit this TP. It's a smooth idea. As you can see, 338. Morning, everybody. We about to see what we can do. Right now, I'm trying to get my Top Step account logged back in with Trade Evade. Trying to log it all back in. It's add-ons. I gotta make sure Trading Views add on to there. Yeah, it looks like my Top Step account's not trying to load either, but yeah, I can't log into it. I'm trying to see where I can do the add-on, but it's not even popping up as an option no more. This is usually where it is. I'm not really sure. We about to find out though. But we already got them active, as you guys can see. Yeah, still don't know where the add-on is. So as of right now, there is no trading on the funded account because I think I would have to take the trades on Trade Evade app itself. So like on here, and I'm not doing that, bro. No thanks. No, sir. Not doing that. So I'm just gonna join a team and everything. We're gonna see what we can do. Probably just take some trades on the Hanko account. See what we can do, nonetheless. Yeah, they got, that's what I'm saying. They even got my website cooked. Like, I don't even know if it's because of that, because I can't, but even then I loaded up Trade Evade, everything on my phone, on here, and I still couldn't. There was no option. I'm overall bullish. I would have rather seen NAS run that previously as low first, but it could just get a push. Overall, I'm bullish though, nonetheless. At least on NAS. US 30. US 30 looks like shit. Fuck 30. I don't got a bias for 30. That's my bias for 30. That's my bias for 30. Those $200 trades could be 2,000, 200,000, 20,000. Just all numbers. Yeah, I have no trades so far. It is what it is. I'll probably see if I can see something when we get a retracement on NAS. Like, this is what I'm looking like on NAS. I want to see that retracement to see it push higher. That's my idea. I'll take it on my Hanko trade, not on the Trade Evade app. Take y'all over to the other screen. Bro, that shit, I couldn't even get past the application. That shit took so long, bro. I just did the wire and I finally got my payouts. I'm just doing wires. I don't know what was going on, but they just kept saying my shit was incorrect. You know what I'm saying? But here, we about to, this is all I go through. I just put yes, yes, yes. I don't read it because I just want my money. Fuck it. We just getting the money, you know what I'm saying? And then we got 66. We can't take half. We can only take half, so I'm only gonna take about 160403. Just leave it at 5,000 type shit. Then don't send the email. And I go to it right here. Then now I wait. But that's the email and everything for it. Tight shit. There we go. Well, nice and simple. Yeah, we'll see though. I like the idea. I definitely like bulls. ES gives me a better entry when it comes to NAS, not NAS, US 30. But yeah, I'm going long right here on ES. I'm risking a little bit more. I'm risking about 10 points just because I want to be safe. So I have it below that 10 o'clock wick. But ideally, the idea would be looking for price to trade all the way to that high. I'm not taking this on the funded account because, you know, Top Step wants to be a little bitch, but it's cool. Oh, you got the dog out. See, I don't got my dog with me, but I'll tell her what's up for you. Like, there's no reason you can't hit this TP. It's a smooth idea. 1 hour for value gap, targeting in the high, and it's about to be 11, so this is gonna close a big wick for 10 o'clock. It's amazing. It's amazing. You just gotta be patient. Like, it looks amazing. The trade, in my opinion, looks like it's gonna play out with NAS. It's just a matter of waiting for it to actually play out, being patient with it. Because like you said, it could take till PM session, could take it till 12, 1, 2. Oh yeah, look at her. She's only crooked-eyed in certain angles, but she definitely be crooked-eyed. Like, look, when she looks too hard, that shit will get a little crooked. But look, she can speak though. Here, tell them your name. Good talk. I'm gonna let this trade play out. This shit, it'll play out when it plays out. I got my alert set, got my break even set. I'll put an alert at the break even too, or not, just cause this trading you ain't gonna learn, man. But I'm about to be up out of here. Hopefully y'all had a good little session. If you caught the trades with Kino, good work. The only trade besides this one I took was an L, but this trade was the one I was waiting for majority of the time. I took the trade on S&P that ended up pushing anyway. So yeah, ain't that some shit? Man, this trade right now, It's still slowly playing out, not really going the direction I want right now, but we're at break even on our entry. So if it comes back to stops, we're just gonna have a 1L for the day. And that's cool. We just continue what we do. So as you guys know, I did promise the money that I did make today from my funded account, I was gonna use to get Top Step accounts for the team. But as you guys saw, I'm not sure what's going on with Top Step, but I wasn't able to activate it using TradingView, and that's what I use. I'm not gonna use it using Tradeovate app. I don't like trading it on there, so I haven't taken trades, but we did do the live $1,600 payout. So I'm gonna probably use some of that money, and we're gonna get 4 to 5 funded accounts for the team. I'm gonna do the session later on tonight where I can send them the money so that they can use it. If they use the money on something else, it's completely fine. But I just wanna give back to the team and allow them the opportunity to be able to change their life, to be able to get funded, to be able to make a whole lot of money. The one account that I got the $1,600 payout is the same account that I paid $100 for, paid $150 to activate. So I paid about $250 to get the account. Look at the risk reward, $250, and I've already withdrawn $3,000, almost $3,500. Not bad. And if we come over here, we will look for the day. We are up about $25. Oh, $50 with VIP, so $11.42. We about to get some tacos, as always. The Taco Man's. One of the taco trucks. One of the 5 that we usually go to. You know what I'm saying? She's the one who likes the tacos. So I like tacos. What? Miss, I haven't had tacos in 2 weeks.
I haven't.
2 weeks. When's the last time I had spaghetti?
Yo.
Yeah. But yeah, right now, waiting for some payouts and everything, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what we could do. So we're gonna see, we're gonna get this money as always. Money comes when you follow the process that's gonna let you make money. I tell you guys this all the time. When it comes to trading, find good setups. When it comes to content, post valuable, entertaining content to either promote your business or give views. It's not ready? What?
He already knew I was on that one.
We get tacos so much that they recognize us. After this, I don't know what we're gonna do. She has work at 3, so my day's not really gonna start. It already started, but I'm not gonna do like my gym content creation and all that. I am right now, but like, I don't know. Maybe I'm working and I don't even realize I'm working. That's the life you wanna. That's the life you wanna have. But what I was gonna say is at 3 o'clock we're gonna do all the other things, content. We're gonna actually go to the gym and do all the main things that this video is gonna be structured off of. But first, I'm gonna get some food, and then I'll see you in a little bit. All right, so I just got an email back from support and everything saying that they should have fixed my Top Step account so that I can actually log in and everything. I'm gonna be the judge of that. I'm gonna see. But right now we're about to log into Tradeovate app and all that. So you wanna hold this?
Yeah.
You wanna switch off? Yeah, there we go. That works. Okay, first thing, this shit didn't even open up. First off, yeah, so this shit, I got a little fucking sad face. Let's try to redo that again. Did bring your regular mode?
No, I haven't.
Put my glasses out because I can't see shit. Could see what's going on here. Where was the add-ons option? Trade report, trading view activate. They fixed it. There we go. That's what I like to see. All right, we about to be at the gym. I walked my ass over. I was gonna drive. One body part that I've been slacking on like past couple weeks, I would say, is legs. So we gotta kill them shits. You gotta figure out the parts that were weakened. Go crazy at it. Same thing you do with everyday life. Same thing you do with your goals. Gotta use the same thing with fitness. Universal laws of life. All right, we just got done the gym. I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucking killed. My body is killed. We ran on that treadmill. I didn't record too much because it seemed like there was a whole bunch of fucking people in there. Those people that had personal trainers and shit in there. I just got my workout in, hit my little upper body, arms, chest, legs, hit the treadmill after. Now I'm about to go walk my dogs, get the end of this little workout and drink some water. That treadmill killed my shit. Y'all know that feeling you get when you drink a whole lot of water or eat a whole lot of food and then you go inside the pool and swimming? That feeling you get? That's what I feel right now. But no pain, no gain. And now that we're back from here, we got that little workout and I feel great. I ain't gonna lie, this shirt feels tight as shit on me. It's probably getting small. I should probably get rid of it, but it makes me feel good, so I'll let it last a little bit longer. But overall, today we've made a good amount of money. When it comes to how much money we have cash coming into our bank account, we've made a good amount of money today. As you guys saw earlier, we did do the withdrawal for $1,600, and here's the email that it got approved and everything. Now, when it comes to Top Step, they do a wire. They send a wire. It's not focusing. They do send a wire, so it's gonna take about 3 to 5, maybe even
7 business days, but it says 3 to 5 business days. But it is Friday, so it is going to take a little bit longer. But when it comes to my withdrawal that I did with Hanko Trade, which is my live broker, I already got the money. It's already in my crypto exchange. So if you want to see right here, this is the, as you can see, let it focus on more. As you can see, the 338, and it was about like 330 something. It was 332 after the fees and everything, because as you know, it's not always going to be the same exact number when you're doing it through Bitcoin. But you can see it all got transferred, and I have it getting sent to my bank account right now. Yo, dogs, calm down. Luna. But it was a good day. So if we do the math on that, 16 plus 300, I'll just round it. We made about $1,900 cash coming into our account today. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I can't complain, not one bit. And as you guys know, later on tonight, we are going to be giving away a couple funded accounts. So we made some money today. We're going to be giving back to the team. We're going to make sure that everybody else can have the same equal opportunity to make money. As long as you get a funded account, as long as you have the skill of trading, you can do exactly what I'm doing. There's no difference. I'm just risking money on a trade. I win some, I lose some. I stack up days that I win. I get allowed a payout. Simple as that. It's a simple process nonetheless. Crazily enough, the trade that we took earlier that ended up stopping us at break even, the trade that could have made us even more money today, that $300 withdrawal could have been like a $600 withdrawal. But we got stopped at break even. See that wick right there that came back down the entry? That stopped us at break even and then it hit TP. That's just crazy, man. It's just crazy, but it's 4:30, 4:40 right now. Still early in the day. Also, see, now I'm logged back in. The account now is at 5,000. And if you come over to the top step, it is at 5,000. And we made 1,800 this week. Just with trading. Just with this account. We made even more money this week, but that's just with this account. So 5,000 is the starting balance we're gonna be at next week. And then we'll be able to get to that 30 days so that we can withdraw whenever we want. I'm gonna be withdrawing daily. I promise you that. You're gonna be seeing a whole lot of videos titled how I made $1,000 today, how I made $500 today. You're gonna see a whole lot of videos like that because I'm gonna actually be able to show you me making that money and withdrawing it, getting it paid out that same day. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. It's gonna be amazing for all of us. But yeah, we about to go for a walk. You ready to go for a walk? You ready to go for a walk? Come on, Nova. You ready? You so small. All right, you guys know what time it is. We're about to do the giveaway. We're about to get it all active. We got so far 16 people all joined up. So the way I'm gonna do this is essentially out of the people that are here, I'm just gonna be asking Siri to give me a random number, and I'm gonna ask her for a random number like 4 or 5 times. And with that random number, I'm just gonna use that number, count whoever that number is. So out of the 15, 16, 20, 30 people that join, if Siri gives me 15, whoever the 15 person is, they're gonna get it. That's essentially how I'm gonna do it, because I don't really know a way to make it unbiased, if that makes sense. So that's what we about to do. Let's get straight to it. Now, I'm probably gonna do like 4 or 5. I'm gonna see how many people join. Like out of 20 people, 30 people, I say like 4 or 5 is a good amount. And then we'll do it again. I don't know, I'll probably do something else, maybe at 300, probably 400 though. I feel like 300 is too close. Either 4 or 5, give it a good double. But essentially the way I'm gonna do it, I just told the camera and everything. So out of the people that are here, so say for example, say there's 22 people, I'm just gonna ask Siri, I'm gonna be like, give me a random number.
I found this on the web.
No, that's not what I asked. Can you give me a random number between 1 and 22?
It's 18.
So I would just do 18, whoever 18 is, I'll just count down 18, not counting myself. And that's how I'm gonna just do it to make it so as unbiased as possible. I feel like that's a good way to go about it. No cap.
Shit, glad it's the weekend.
Yeah, I'm good. Just waiting on my new laptop.
Oh yeah.
I had to trade the rest of the week on my phone. Cause, my old laptop went out. But I got my stuff saved, so.
That's all good. The internet makes everything easier. No cap, but we about to get on into it. I think 24, 25 people, anybody that joins late, maybe they get lucky and the number that Siri picks is them. Siri, give me a random number between 1 and 26.
It's 12.
12, so I would just count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My boy Double R, yo ass motherfucker. I would be lying if I said I didn't want to give it to you because I know your ass got some money, but I'm gonna do it.
I'm
Don't
good.
do it. Don't do it. I was about to say. All right, we'll do it again. I was about to say this nigga don't need it.
The answer is 22.
22. So we're gonna do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. My boy B. B, message me your number.
It's 14.
14. Copy that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. My boy Krabs. Krabs, send me your number. Send me your number, my boy.
Oh, thank you, bro.
Nah, yeah, I got you. Give me a random number between 1 and 28.
It's 18.
18. Didn't it say 18 before? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Thomas. Thomas, send me your number, gangy.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
Yeah, send that number, my boy.
30.
I don't know what happened. Give me a number between 1 and 30.
29.
Not y'all, you
It's
mother.
6.
Yo, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double R again. We're doing that again. Matter of fact, we're gonna skip you. We're gonna do Sensei because he's the one after you. Give me a number between 1 and 29.
It's 29.
Okay, that makes it easy. My boy, Rel. Rel, you want it? I know you got a little bag. You want that, John?
Hey, good looking at you. I'm at the game, so I can't really hear you.
Send your number. I got all 5 of you. So Rel, Marley, Thomas, Krabs, and B. And matter of fact, fuck it. I'll do Lonnie too, cause Lonnie, she was saying she's doing 6, so I'm gonna do 6. That's 6. Fuck it. Lonnie, you send the number 2. I'm gonna do you 2. You know what I'm saying? Cause you was waiting.
Yo, thank you, thank
Yeah, I
you.
got you. And now with all that being said and done, this is where we're gonna end the video off. I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's video. We're gonna be active. That's Nova. She's a little crybaby, she's in a crate, but she needs to learn. But at the end of the day, if you wanna learn how I trade, if you wanna learn what I do on a day-to-day basis, how to navigate the financial markets, how to trade, what I do, what I look for, check out the free course, the free trading webinars. The free trading webinars are when you're ready to join the team, join the VIP Trading Network. You can take my trades, trade with the team, as you guys see me record, and show you every single day. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.